Marhaba. Happy Easter to everyone who is celebrating, and happy Easter to everyone back home who celebrated last weekend. I hope that everyone has had a really lovely Easter holiday. Firstly, I want to say something in Arabic really quickly. ما بقدر أنزل الترجمة للفيديوهات مباشرة، لازم تستنوا لحتى حدا يترجم لي إياهم. And yes, I'm reading from notes. I'm just saying that please wait for translations because I can't do them, and I have to wait for the lovely people who do translations for me. I have to wait for them to do them when they get time. My last update, I said that there were no new cases, and since then, unfortunately, there have been new cases, and it's kind of fluctuated a little bit. Yesterday we had no new cases. Today, still waiting at 7 o'clock, so don't know how many cases we will have today. Fingers crossed, none. But that does bring us to 425 cases, 7 deaths, and 282 recoveries. And statistically speaking, Jordan is one of the best countries in the whole world for the ratio of cases to recoveries and cases to deaths. So we're doing really well with that, and in comparison with the other countries, yeah, we're doing really good. Also, comparing Jordan to other countries, Jordan is at the moment number 3 in the whole world for least air pollution, which is pretty wild when you think about it. I mean, people often complain about the air pollution in Jordan, but I think that that's actually more a combination of heat with dust and quite a lot of congested traffic and things. And so now that we've got those cars off the roads, you go outside and it does feel fresher outside. I mean, I don't know if that's just in my head. It's really interesting actually, because you go out on the streets at the moment and it's kind of like, I mean, the weather has changed. So at the beginning of this corona outbreak, we were, you know, it was freezing and we ran out of kerosene at the very beginning of it, and we were really cold, and it was still, you know, we had snow last week in Zarqa, and it's been hailing, and we've had like this really cold period, and then bam, it's summer. I mean, it's really hot right now. And you see people coming out and everyone's kind of walking around outside and they're keeping their distance between each other. But I find it peculiar actually to see this many people walking the streets for no reason other than just to get out of the house. In England, people go for walks a lot for no reason. But I don't see people doing that much in Jordan. And honestly, I've been walking around the same area for the last 3.5 years. I didn't know how many families lived here. There's so many people that I didn't know that there was a kid living next door because it never goes outside. And now you see all the kids in the street, and everyone's getting to know each other as well. It's just like the real community spirit right now. And you see people going around on their bicycles as well. Like, bicycles is something that you don't see a lot of in Jordan. And because people obviously can't get around in their cars, they're getting their bicycles out. And today, I thought this was really quaint. You know, usually you see these cars go past with, they're like these little trucks, Toyota trucks, and they're going around the bins and they're picking out stuff out of the bins. It's not very nice. But because they haven't been able to take their cars out and do those jobs, I saw today a guy on a donkey come, and you know, the donkey was saddled up with these great big bags, and the guy went and he did his normal round and his normal route, but with a donkey instead of a car. So yeah, it's like, it feels, it's just, everything is a bit strange, but it also feels really like everyone has got used to this idea. And I think that everyone is kind of resigned to the fact as well that Ramadan this year is going to be very different. I thought that it was going to be over by now, and obviously it's not. We're going to do Ramadan in quarantine, but you know, it's kind of exciting to think how we're going to do Ramadan completely differently this year, because Ramadan is usually all about visiting each other, and it's kind of excessive as well. You buy excessive amounts of sweets and things, and you do these big iftar like feasts, you know. And now we're going to have to do everything like less and like be a bit calmer about stuff, and obviously you can't do the visits. Towards the end of Ramadan, it's all about the visits and families, you know, big meals and families going and seeing each other and things. And we're not going to be able to do that. And of course, there will be no Taraweeh prayers in the mosques for the first time ever. And I think that's come as a real, I think that's hard for a lot of people to swallow. So it's going to be very different, and it's going to be a lot simpler, but inshallah it will be fine, and that the intention behind Ramadan will still be there, and maybe it will be strengthened. But of course I'm going to come and cover all of those Ramadan things during Ramadan. Today, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Expatriates began the process of bringing back Jordanians who are abroad, currently stuck abroad. They received, by the end of today, 23,000 applications. So there's currently like 40,000 students studying abroad. And obviously it's not just about the students, it's any Jordanian who is abroad who wants to come back home can apply for this. But it's mainly the students that they're targeting, from what I understand. So right now they are preparing for this. They're preparing the Dead Sea again for this by putting up these mobile homes, these cabins that have got AC, they've got basic amenities inside them, and every single person will come back, they will get their own cabin and they'll quarantine in there until they are fit to come back into society. And the people who don't want to do that, who don't want to stay in the cabins, they can opt to stay in a hotel, but they have to pay for it themselves basically. But it's pretty amazing seeing them setting this all up, and that's really lovely to see the government really caring about its people who are abroad right now as well, who just want to get back home. And in important news, Aqaba opened up as well. The curfew has been like the restrictions have been lifted, so it's like closer to normal life back in Aqaba. And as of tomorrow, Wednesday, Tafile, Karak and Man will be also the restrictions will be eased there too. So I'm sure that the people there are really looking forward to kind of going back to normal life. So from all of the spot checking that they have been doing in the south of the country, they have found that the south is corona free. So that's really great, and that means that those places that I mentioned, they can go about within their city limits, but they can't cross over into the other cities. So they're still there are still restrictions in there, but you know, normal life will continue. The economy is also starting to come back to its normal self. So we're seeing any kind of companies to do with tech, companies to do with food, like dry cleaning shops and things, all these different kinds of companies and shops and businesses that are on the welfare system and require just like 1 or 2 staff members, that they're not big loads of staff going back to work as well. There's just companies that are on the welfare system already, and they will just be doing deliveries as well, so no one can go into those places. Focus. So in the beginning of this whole crisis, we were focusing on tracing where corona was and going back and doing the testing that way. Now that's all very much under control, so they have been focusing just on the spot checking, just random testing everywhere. And they have doubled those efforts as well. So now we're doing 2,500 tests a day. So during this period, we are going to start seeing more businesses open up, and we will see, like, it's another stage that we're going to go into, and then, you know, we're going to step by step see how this goes, and if this continues to go well, then it will be considered during Ramadan, for instance, for there not to be curfews at the weekends, these full curfews that we've been under at the weekends. But it's just a case of seeing how that goes. And with that, you know, we've seen a lot of job losses all over the world. I mean, every economy is struggling right now. But in Jordan, the private sector has been hit really hard. So the next thing that we are focusing on is all coming together, and the public sector taking a cut of income to support the private sector and try and get people back to work, basically. So right at the top of the scale, you've got the Prime Minister and you've got judges and things, and their incomes are being cut by 40%, 30 to 40%. And then it goes down the scale to lower incomes being cut by around 10%. And this right now has been the big talk of the country. Everyone has been, you know, madly trying to work out how much of their income is being cut and how it's going to affect them. But ultimately, this is a way that we are all kind of coming together to support each other and make sure that everyone has got a job. This is especially relevant to Jordan because, you know, it's already struggling. Before this crisis hit, it was already struggling with an unemployment rate of 19.2%, which is pretty high. So, you know, to deal with these things, we've got to make sacrifices, and that's what the government is doing. And from what I understand from reading polls and reading research, the Jordanian people are very much supportive of these decisions, or at least somewhat supportive. So this is my update. You've got the returning of the students and the expatriates, you've got the income tax, and you've got businesses slowly opening up, and that's kind of Jordan as I see it this week. And because I'm probably not going to edit and upload this video in the next half an hour, I'm going to put here how many new cases there are for today. Okay, inshallah it's 0. Hope everyone is well and staying safe and staying at home. Khalik fil bayt. Ma salama. Bye bye. See you next time.